Viewers, there have been a huge demand on my DM that I should treat this topic. A lot of students seem to have problem concerning this topic. What is this topic? Stoichiometry. Now, when we talk about stoichiometry, we are looking at the quantitative relationship of reactant and product in what? In a chemical reaction. I take it again, the quantitative relationship, that is the relationship of reactant and product in a chemical reaction. For you to know or be able to understand this topic, you must first of all understand how to balance chemical equation. Now, with our Gemma YouTube channel has been able to provide the simple step of balancing of what? Chemical equation. And for you that you are joining us for the first time, this is Ojemai YouTube channel. You can as well follow us on Facebook on Ojemai Online Chemistry. Now, for you to understand this, your chemistry, that is like I've already said, if you are asked to calculate or given problem, there are three major things. I've already made a video concerning this, but I want to break it down. This is, I will title this one video one. For those who are watching this one, this is video one, or yeah, this is our video one. I will break it step by step. Now, the first thing you should know is mole 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 relationship. Mole relationship. The second part we are going to know is mass relationship. Then the third thing that you need to know, this one is particle. Particle, you call it particle, or you call it what? Bracket or volume. Volume relationship. Volume slash mole relationship. These are the various ways you can use and understand stoichiometry. First of all, follow mole to mole relationship, follow mass relationship, and particle or volume mole relationship. This particle can be Avogadro's constant. Avogadro's constant, which is normally 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23, and volume constant, the volume of a gas at STP is normally 22.4 dm cubed. We are going to look at that, but in this class we are going to look at mole relationship, because a whole of this thing is being centered on mole relationship. If you can be able to understand this mole relationship, all this one you now work towards this one, because you at the end of it in mass relationship, you'll be able to relate it with mole relationship before you can finally produce your answer. Then in particle also, you relate it to what? Mole relationship before you can finally produce your answer. Are you getting me? Now let's go to mole relationship. In mole relationship, you have to look at balancing of chemical equation. For instance, a mole of A, that is, you multiply by the coefficient of B, coefficient of what? Of B, divided by coefficient of what? A. I will give you what? It give you a mole or what? Mole of B. Look at the formula you can use to calculate mole relationship. When you understand this formula, it is very simple for you to solve any kind of problem regarding this topic, stoichiometry. Are you following? We have mole of A, you multiply by coefficient of B all over coefficient of what? A. Are you following? Now, coefficient is simply talking about how balancing the mole ratio of A and B. For instance, I say that hydrogen gas react with nitrogen gas to produce ammonia. Look at hydrogen gas react with nitrogen gas to produce what? Ammonia. Are you following? Hydrogen gas react with nitrogen gas to produce what? Ammonia. You already know that this equation is not balanced. Hydrogen here is what? We have 3. Hydrogen here is what? 2. Nitrogen here is what? 2. Nitrogen here is what? 1. Are you following? So whatever in our balancing of chemical equation in our previous video, we say that whatever is in the reactant, this is the reactant. Are you following? This is the reactant, and this is what the product. Whatever is in the reactant must be what in the what product. Now nitrogen here is 2. We need to make nitrogen 2, so we add what? We add 2 here. Do you get that? Now nitrogen is now 2. Now don't forget, whatever is outside here, this is 2. Whatever is outside here means that this hydrogen also have what? Have this 2. Already hydrogen has what? 3 atoms. Do you get that? So you multiply this 3 by what? 2. It means the hydrogen will now be what? Will now be 6. 3 times 2 will give us what? 6. So we need to, what can we multiply by 2 that will give us this 6? We multiply by what? By 3. Are you following? So 2 times 3 will give us what? 6. And 3 times 2 will give us what? Will give us 6. Now this is what we call coefficient. Coefficient is the mole ratio. Do you understand? This is the mole ratio of hydrogen here. Is this 3 that you are seeing here? So hydrogen here is what? 3. Nitrogen here, there is nothing here, so it's what? 1. And ammonia here is what? Ammonia is 2, because 2 is in front. This is what we call what? Coefficient. Are you following? So the coefficient, this is the coefficient of A. Are you following? The coefficient of the reactant, and the product is the coefficient of the what? The B. So the coefficient, that is the mole of A. Maybe they will give you, sorry, the coefficient of B. That is what you are asked to find. Remember, don't forget this. What is on top is what you are asked to find. We are going to look at one of few examples on it. Now, what you are asked to find is what should be on top. What is given is what it should be down. Our mole relationship. By the time you understand this, it is very, very simple. Now, a small intro to mass relationship. In mass relationship, what you are going to do is that we have mass here. Will give you moles relationship, and will give you what? You multiply by what? Mass. For mass relationship, a detailed video of this will be done in our part 2 of stoichiometry. Now mass, you need to convert this mass into mole by what? Dividing it by what? The molar mass. After you have gotten our mole, you now use this coefficient stuff to get your mole relationship. Then you now multiply it by the atomic mass, that is to give. So this is how you can be able to solve your mole relationship. You will be the one to let us solve example concerning that. You will be the one to solve this last one. Now I will solve. Now this one, you see that how many moles of nitrogen? Remember, moles of, we say how many moles of what? Nitrogen are. They are asking you what? Nitrogen are needed to react with what? 7.5 moles of what? Hydrogen gas. Firstly, we balance our equation. Solution. Our equation is what? We have H2 plus what? N2 will give us what? 2NH3, and here we have what? Here we have what? We have 3. This is our balance equation. You see, most of what? Hydrogen gas. Most of hydrogen gas. Do you get that? So most of hydrogen gas is what? 7.5 multiplied by the coefficient of what? The coefficient of what you are asked to find. You see, how many moles of nitrogen? How many moles of nitrogen? That is what you are asked to find. So the mole ratio will be on top. So what is the mole ratio of nitrogen here? There is nothing here. So 1 over what? The coefficient of what? Of what you are calculating, which is what? Most of what? Hydrogen gas. What is most of hydrogen gas? Is what? Is what? 3. So the answer is what? 2.5. This times 1 divided by 3 will give what? 2.5 moles. Do you understand? Now let's go to the, you see, this is very, very simple. Now let's go to the second one. The second one, how many moles of hydrogen gas? Now they are now asking you how many moles of hydrogen are needed to produce 0.8 moles of what? Ammonia. So you say that this number 1, this number 2. Now we still use the same equation. So how many moles of what? They are not asking of hydrogen. So we bring the moles of what? Ammonia here. So we have 0.8 times what you asked? How many moles of hydrogen? So the moles are the the mole ratio of hydrogen will be on top. How many mole? Because they are asking you to calculate that one. How many moles of hydrogen? So now moles of hydrogen is what? 3 divided by needed to produce what? Produce ammonia. What's the mole of ammonia? Are you following? They gave you the one of ammonia, so you use the mole of what? Ammonia. So ammonia here is what? 2. So the answer will be equals to what? This times this and divide by 0.8 times 3 divided by 2 give what? 1.12 moles. So you are going to do this one for me. What is the amount of moles of hydrogen? They are asking you to hydrogen that will be produced of what? If 0.6 of what? HCl. You get that? HCl react with what? Excess zinc. So what they ask is HCl and what? Hydrogen. That is the mole that you are going to find. HCl and what? The one of what? Hydrogen. Do you get that? Now I'll leave this one for you. Drop it on the comment section. For more of this video, please subscribe to Ojema YouTube channel, or you can follow us on Facebook on Ojema Online Chemistry. Do well to share this video to as many as possible.